Before we jump into doing the rest of the problems, I want to review some special angle pairs so that we can identify them and apply those theorems that go with them. First type of angles we're going to look at is vertical angle pairs. What do we know about vertical angle pairs? They have a common vertex. Another thing, or way that I help my students to remember, is we're looking for the V's. So we have a V on top, and then it coordinates with the V underneath it. We can also have sideways V's, and that helps us recognize the vertical angles. So this angle right here is this angle, and this angle right here are vertical to each other. And one thing that it's important to remember is that vertical angle measures are equal. Vertical angle measures are equal. So they make the V and their measures are equal. So when we label that, we can say that this angle right here and this angle right here are the same because they're vertical. Then this angle right here, I'm going to use a different marking for that one, and this angle right here, they are congruent. So that's a special property that we need to make sure remember it's vertical angle pairs. Another important property is adjacent angles. Okay? The linear angle pair adjacent, What we know about a linear pair is, first, when we're trying to recognize them, that they are angles that have a common side or ray. That's what makes them adjacent. Another important thing is that their measures are supplementary. All right, so here's angle 1, here's angle 2. Together, they add up to 180, which is a straight angle. So now that we know that, we can jump into problem number 15, where we are asked to refer to the figure and figure out which pairs of angles are supplementary. So let's look first at angle ABE, which is this one right here, and then compare it with CBD. ABE is talking about this angle, CBE is this one. Now, these angles are not supplementary. They fall in the category of vertical, so we can rule out A. Next one wants me to compare angle ABC, which is this angle right here, to angle ABD. Okay, angle ABD is a straight angle, so there's no way it's going to be supplementary with anything. So, blech, that's wrong. We're cutting it out. It's useless. Doesn't make any sense. So we're ignoring it. Next angles that we want to compare. The next angles that we want to compare, are ABC. So let's highlight that. ABC, so this angle right here. And we're going to look at that one and CBD. So CBD. That looks a lot like a linear angle pair. And we know that linear angle pairs are supplementary. So ladies and gentlemen, we have our answer. ABC and CBD, they are supplementary. But of course we need to go ahead and check that other one too, just so we can say that we did. Okay, last pair of angles we're going to compare to see if they're supplementary are ABC, which is this guy right in here, hello, little angle, and EBD, which is this guy right here. So we definitely know that they are vertical, which means they are not supplementary, they are congruent. So we have found our answer. The answer is 15 because ABC and CBD are a linear pair, and we know that a linear pair is supplementary.